Hey everyone, I'm Rob and welcome to the test drive. Today we're going to talk about a couple different things. No, I'm not doing a review today, and this is not really going to be about a car. It's going to be about the channel. It's going to be about the giveaway that we currently have going on, because there's probably a lot of questions at this point now that we're into June. So I originally set out for us to hit 10,000 subscribers by June 1st, and I was going to give away 2 AKASO EK7000 cameras. If you don't know what I'm talking about cameras just like this. This is a competitor to the GoPro line. These are awesome cameras. I'm going to be doing some videos of these as well, but basically I wanted to give away 2 of them, and we didn't get to because we didn't hit 10,000 subscribers. So now, what am I going to do with this camera? Am I going to delete my channel? I'm not really going to delete it. That wasn't even a real menu. I don't even know how to delete your channel. My channel, that was just a Google Images screenshot. I really don't even know how to. How often am I going to post videos now? According to YouTubeSuccess.com, posting once every 3 months guarantees success on YouTube. That's not even a real website. What kind of stuff am I going to post? Stunts! Comedy! Golf lessons. So what are we gonna do on this channel? You're about to find out. So first, a quick equipment update, and that is I just purchased, actually yesterday, a GoPro Hero 6 Black camera. And the reason I actually got this, well, there's a couple reasons, I guess. The quality of this is awesome. It is the best GoPro quality ever. I will be making a lot of videos with this and of this camera, so you guys can check it out as well. But the other reason is that you can film in 1080p at 240 frames a second. Now, the reason for that is to film awesome slow-mo shots like this. Now, I want to start posting every 2 days if possible, at least every 3. The weather in New York right now is awesome. We are finally in summer, and I'm going to actually be able to film in the evenings and on the weekends and stuff, so I want to be posting a lot more frequently. Now, in terms of the type of content, I'm still going to keep doing reviews as I have been, but I also want to do more videos of my own vehicles, sharing my ownership experience, and then with the Z4, I have a lot of mods and some other cool stuff planned for this car, so I want to share all of that with you too. So it's still going to be a lot of reviews. We're going to have some vlogs and videos of my vehicles, and then somewhat of a modification slash build type of thing, I guess, with this Z4. I don't have anything insane necessarily planned for it, but I do have some fun stuff, and I want to share every single bit of it with you. And lastly, the burning question, and probably a big part of the reason you're even watching this video, is what's going to happen with the AKASO EK7000 camera giveaway. Now, here's the thing. We're still going to give this camera away, and I'm not going to tie it to a specific subscriber amount. Now, thank you to everybody who actually put the hashtag on the video where I announced this for the 10K giveaway. I'm still going to do a 10K giveaway, but it may be a little bit of time before we get there, and I just want to give this away now. So what I'm going to do is on July 1st, I'm going to draw the name of a subscriber, and the only thing that you have to do is comment on this video. It doesn't matter actually what you comment. You don't have to use a hashtag. It really does not matter. But comment on this video, let me know that you've entered by commenting. Again, doesn't matter what you say. And on July 1st, I'm going to pick a winner for this camera, and I'm going to ship it out to you, and I'm extremely excited for somebody to win this. And during the month of June, I will do some videos with a camera just like this, because I do have an AKASO camera of my own as well. I'm not going to open this one. This is going to be brand new inbox for the winner, and I'm so excited to give it away. So no, I'm not quitting YouTube. No, I'm not going to start doing golf lessons on the channel. No, I'm not going to start posting videos once every 3 months, or sell all my cars and move to some remote area and no longer do reviews. We're not going to do any of that weird stuff. This is still going to be a car channel, and this is going to be an awesome summer, and we're going to have a lot of fun. There's so much awesome content coming. I cannot wait to take you all with me in every single video, and I am very thankful for everybody that watches the videos, that subscribes to this channel, and just wait, because it is going to get better and better and better. So thanks again for watching my dumb video, and I'll see you in the next one.